तो अच्छा, this one. So whether try doing this one. It's saying use data from the data booklet to predict whether a reaction is feasible when aqueous solutions of iodate 5 ions and bromide ions are mixed. Can you go and find an equation for bromide? I mean, there's only one equation. What is that?
Is it Br2 plus 2E minus goes to 2Br minus?
And what's the electrode potential?
1.07.
So now, remember, in such a question where they ask for feasibility, follow their instructions. He's saying that what two things are reacting? Iodate 5 ions reacting with bromide ions. So there's only one option. This is iodate 5. So that means this must be gaining electrons, right? And it's reacting with what? It's so iodate 5 ions are reacting with bromide. So that they must be, I mean, they must be losing electrons, right? So I'm just going to follow I'm going to follow its instructions, like iodate 5, so must have gained. Bromide must have lost electrons. That's the only option. And now I'm going to try and figure out whether the reaction is feasible or not. So it's what? Reduction potential minus oxidation potential. So what do we get as the E naught cell? Okay, difference. So that's 0.12 volts.
0.12. Yep.
Okay, so that is feasible. Anything that's positive or greater than 0, that's feasible. And it makes sense because this is the higher potential, it should have gained electrons. This is the lower potential, it should have lost electrons, right? So that is exactly what's happening. So the reaction is feasible. Okay, but remember this, that you're going to follow what they're suggesting as the reduction and what they are suggesting as the oxidation. I'm going to go with them, and then I'm going to try and figure out E naught cell.